Welcome to the incredible 30-day burpee challenge. In this video, we'll dive into what happens to your body when you do burpees every day for 30 days. Prepare to witness how this simple yet intense exercise can transform your fitness, strength, and endurance. Stay with me until the end because we'll be presenting a bonus tutorial on how to perform burpees correctly. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Let's get started. What exactly are burpees? They are a full-body exercise. This movement combines actions that work your entire body, from your arms to your legs and your core, making it one of the most effective exercises for building strength, burning fat, and enhancing cardiovascular health. You'll be integrating squats, push-ups, and explosive jumps. Prepare to sweat. Each repetition is a chance to boost your strength, endurance, and coordination. Burpees are tough, but the payoff is worth it. The sense of achievement and the noticeable progress are strong motivators. We're talking about benefits that you can see in just 30 days, a significant transformation in your body and your health. Let's explore the incredible benefits of doing burpees for 30 days. First, cardiovascular health. Burpees are an excellent way to elevate your heart rate and boost your endurance. Over 30 days, you'll see a marked improvement in your lung capacity and physical stamina. The second benefit is muscle definition. Burpees engage all the major muscle groups, including your arms, legs, and abs. By consistently doing burpees, you'll notice a significant improvement in muscle tone and definition. And let's not forget about fat burning and metabolism. Burpees are incredibly efficient at burning calories and boosting your metabolism. After a month, you might notice a significant reduction in body fat. Strength gain is another fantastic benefit. Regularly doing burpees will help strengthen your core, chest, arms, and legs. Finally, flexibility and coordination. Burpees require a wide range of motion, which will enhance your flexibility and coordination over time. With all these benefits, it's no surprise that burpees are a favorite exercise among fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your body and health in just 30 days? Let's get started. Week 1. Get ready to feel some soreness. Your body is not used to this. Your muscles will ache. You might feel tired. This is normal. Don't give up. Keep going, even with the discomfort. Your body is adapting. Your cardiovascular system is getting stronger. You're burning calories and building muscle. Every burpee is a victory. Keep going. Week 2. You've already overcome the initial hurdle. The soreness is decreasing. You're feeling stronger. The burpees are getting easier. You're adapting. Your body is a machine. It's getting used to the challenge. You're building endurance and stamina. Keep pushing your limits. Increase your repetitions. You got this. Week 3. Time to transform. You're burning fat and building muscle. Your metabolism is on fire. Are your clothes fitting better? That's the burpee effect. Your body composition is changing. You're getting more defined and stronger. Your confidence is soaring. Keep up the amazing work. The results are showing. Week 4. You are unstoppable. Your endurance is through the roof. Your mood is great. You're sleeping better. Burpees are your new superpower. Flexibility and coordination have improved. You move with more ease and agility. Congratulations. You've completed the 30-day burpee challenge. You are an inspiration. As promised at the beginning of the video, here's your bonus. A step-by-step guide to mastering the burpee. This exercise can become a crucial part of your daily workout routine. The burpee consists of 3 main exercises: the squat, push-up, and jump. Let's break down each component in this tutorial to ensure you're performing it correctly and maximizing its benefits. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat, keeping your weight in your heels and your chest up. This engages your leg and glute muscles. Next, kick your feet back to land in a plank position. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Perform a push-up, keeping your elbows close to your body to target your chest and triceps. Then, bring your feet back to the squat position. Use your core strength to move your feet quickly, preparing for the final move. Finally, jump explosively, reaching for the sky. Use your arms for momentum and aim for maximum height. This completes the burpee, enhancing explosive muscle power and cardiovascular endurance. Remember to maintain correct posture throughout the exercise. Control your movements. Focus on quality over quantity. Regular practice and attention to detail will significantly improve your performance and results. After 30 days of burpees, you will have more muscle mass, less body fat, better cardiovascular health, more stamina and energy, a faster metabolism, restful sleep, and your spirits will be high. The burpee challenge is more than just an exercise. It is a testament to your willpower and dedication. You pushed your limits and became stronger. Be proud of yourself. Embrace the power of the burpee and unlock your full potential. No matter your fitness level, you can adapt the exercise to your needs. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Every workout is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in your potential and keep challenging yourself every day. Friends, we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried doing burpees? For how long? Share your experiences in the comments. It will be fascinating to read, and your stories might inspire others to begin their fitness journeys too. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest content on health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. Show your support by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. The links are right here on the screen. Until next time, stay healthy and thank you.